Ferry Garofalo. So, crime is influenced by biological, physiological, and social factors beyond an individual's control. Lombroso proceeded that criminals were born with specific physical traits, emphasize scientific methods to study crime and criminal behaviors. Sa criticism, Lombroso's theories were later discredited from their deterministic and pseudo scientific nature. So